Everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve the last question of 10.1, question number 3. Question number 3 is stating, let L be a line, okay, and P be a point not on L. एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है और P पॉइंट लेना है जो कि L पे नहीं होगा. Okay, so it is same like question number 1 till now. Through P, draw a line parallel M, draw a line M parallel to L. So up to here is question number 1 only. Okay, now I am going to solve it and then we will solve the rest part of the question. What we have to do, let L be a line. So I am going to draw one L line. Okay, so this is the line L. After this what we have to do, and P be a point not on L. So I am going to consider point P here, which is not on L. What it is saying, through P draw a line M parallel to L. So we will join, for drawing a parallel line, we know that we will join it to the given line. Okay, after this we will take a not very big arc, not very small arc. क्या करेंगे, एक छोटा सा आर्क लेंगे मीडियम साइज का and then we will draw it like this. Okay, now after this what we have to do, suppose it is meeting at point A and B. Now we will measure from, we will put our needle, एक needle हमने यहाँ कंपास का needle को यहाँ पे रखना है और point B तक elongate करना है, या point B पे हमने needle रखना है और A तक elongate करके ये angle को measure करना है. Okay, now first we have drawn this arc now students. After drawing this arc without disturbing, sorry I told you the next process. Okay, so first you have to draw this arc, this angle, and then without disturbing that measurement, what you have to draw, you have to place your needle here at point P and then you have to draw here one semicircle like this. Okay, now suppose it is cutting at point C. Now you have to measure this angle in this step. Okay, you have to place your needle at point B and stretch it up to point A. Okay, now you have to place your needle here at point C and then you have to cut one arc like this and then you have to join them, this point and this point P, like this. So this is nothing but line M which is parallel to line L. Why? Because this angle, alternate interior angle, is equal to this angle. So these lines will be parallel. After this what it is saying, now join P to any point Q, not Q on L. ये point P को बोल रहा है कि Q पे join कर देने, L लाइन पे कहीं पे Q पे join कर देने. So wherever it is meeting we will name it as Q. After this what it is saying, choose any other point R on M. Now on this line M we have to choose any other point R. So I am going to choose it here. Okay, now what it is saying, through R draw a line parallel to PQ. Now here from through R we have to draw a line parallel to PQ. ये PQ के parallel होना चाहिए, ठीक है. सो फॉर दिस अगेन इफ यू विल सी, अगर हम बोर्ड को या अपने आप नोटबुक पे करोगे तो नोटबुक को अगर आप 90 डिग्री से टर्न करते हो देन अगेन इट विल बिकम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को सिर्फ बड़ा करके लिख दिया है, बट सेम प्रोसीजर, सेम स्टेप इज देयर एज वी हैव सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. लाइक दैट ओनली वी विल सॉल्व. द डिफरेंस इज ओनली दैट इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 वी ड्रॉ ओनली 1 टाइम पैरेलल लाइन, हियर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ 2 टाइम पैरेलल लाइन, नथिंग एल्स, नथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, नाउ अगर आप 90 डिग्री से अपने नोटबुक को टर्न करोगे ना, ये अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, ठीक है. नाउ वी आर हैविंग हियर पॉइंट आर, सो एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग पॉइंट P. Okay, this PQ is the line. So what we will do, again we will stretch our compass and then we will take a desired angle like this, ठीक है. And then with the same measurement without disturbing it, what we will do, we will make here semicircle. What we will do, we will make here one semicircle, ठीक है. यहाँ पे एक semicircle लेंगे. Now suppose you have name this one. Suppose this is A, B, C. So suppose this is point D, this point D, this is E, and suppose this is F. Okay, where it is cutting this line. Okay, now आपको क्या करना है, फिर से ये एंगल को मेजर करना है, ठीक है। फिर से ये एंगल को मेजर करना है, कौन सा एंगल को, यहाँ पे नीडल को रखो एंगल ई, पॉइंट ई पे, एंड देन एलोंगेट इट अप टू डी पॉइंट, ओके, एंड देन मेजर इट। आफ्टर दिस यू प्लेस योर नीडल हियर एट पॉइंट एफ एंड देन ड्रॉ an arc like this, cutting that semicircle, and then from this point, whatever point you will get, you have to draw one arc. See, I am not getting perfect, why? Because through this point you have to draw a line which will be parallel to this given line. Now you can see this is the angle that we equated to this angle, okay. So these two angles are equal, and hence this line whatever we have drawn will be parallel to this PQ, okay. Now here what it is saying, parallel to PQ. After this it is saying let this meet at point S, okay. ये कहाँ पे मीट कर रहा है, पॉइंट S पे मीट कर रहा है L को, meet L at point S, so we will name this as S. Now it is asking you what shape do the two sets of parallel line enclose. ये दोनों जो पैरेलल लाइंस का सेट है, दिस वन इज पैरेलल टू दिस पी क्यू, आर एस इज पैरेलल टू पी क्यू एंड दिस एम इज पैरेलल टू एल. सो क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग कि ये जो फिगर इनक्लोज हुआ ये कौन सा फिगर होता है. सो दिस फिगर इज नोन एज पैरेललोग्राम. So this was your question number 3 students. It is just same like question number 1 only repeated twice, that's all. So this was your question number 3. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.